In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off international shipping on eBay. If you've been wanting to manage your eBay listings to cater only to domestic buyers, or perhaps you're concerned about the complexities and costs associated with international shipping, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together. To start, you'll need to navigate to eBay's website. This can easily be done by opening your preferred web browser and entering eBay's URL, w.ebay.com. Once the main page is loaded, you'll want to locate the Sell option. It's typically found at the top of the page in the menu bar, along with other important links. Click on Sell to proceed. This takes you into your selling dashboard, which provides an overview of all your current listings, including active, sold, and any that are still in drafts. Here, you should search for the Drafts section. This section holds all your saved listings that haven't been published yet, which is where you might prefer to make these specific changes to your items before they go live. Click on Drafts once you find it. Now you'll see a list of all the drafts you've saved. Select the draft for the listing from which you want to remove international shipping. Next to this draft, you'll see the option to Resume Draft. Click this, and it will bring you to the editing page where you can fine-tune your listing before posting it. While you're now on the draft editing page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Shipping. At first glance, there might be a lot of information under this section, but stay focused on shipping options, as that's what we're here to adjust today. Look for a link or button that says See Shipping Options. This will take you to the expanded view with more detailed settings. Once you're in the shipping options, you should see the International Shipping toggle. Currently, your listings are set to offer international shipping unless indicated otherwise. To turn off international shipping, simply click the toggle to the Off position. This action disables international shipping features for that particular listing, ensuring your items are only available to domestic buyers. After making this adjustment, double-check your other settings on the listing to ensure everything else looks correct. It's also a good time to preview your listing to see how it appears to potential buyers. If you're satisfied with all the changes you've made, don't forget to save your updates. And there you have it. It's that simple to adjust your eBay listings to restrict sales to your home country. Making these types of changes can help you have greater control over who can buy from you, potentially reducing shipping-related complications and focusing on your local market. Thanks for tuning in.